This is Dr. Vaishali, and I'm reading from the book Structure, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Today's topic is Road to Salt. Salt that contain an element from road 2 like carbonate, phosphate, nitrate, borate, and oxides, etc. Some example of the road 2 salt are lithium carbonicum, magnesium phosphoricum, and kali nitricum. Remedies like kali bichromicum, sulfate, silicia, alumina, arsenical, and gluonum also hold a mention in this group due to the presence of oxygen, as we understand from the formula mentioned below. Sulfates, for example, natrium sulfuricum, which contain Na2SO4, and kalium bichromicum, which contain K2Kr207, silicia H2SiO3, alumina Al2O3, arsenical As2O3, gluonine C3H5NO3 by 3. Means all are contain oxygen. I would like to illustrate a few rubrics of the above salt. The reference is complete properly and except a few which bear their respective authors. Borax, rubrics of borax. Anxiety, children in, rocking during. It's just a single remedy for that. Anxiety motion from, aggravated downward. Anxiety palpitation with. Anxiety riding while aggravated close carriage. In anxiety trembling with, fear children in night, pavor nocturnus, yes, fear noise from sudden off, fear falling off, fear thunderstorm, single remedy. Frighten easily, single remedy. Frighten easily shocked at distant matlab any shock from more distant area. Gesture makes grasping or reaching at something. Mother in the sleep at mother in the sleep at, which is also mentioned as a single remedy. Sensitive, oversensitive to noise. Startle noise from slightest. Sensitive to sudden noise, violent fright from a report of the gun, even at the distance, which is mentioned in the Lippi's Ginot. Now, rubric of magnesium carb, where delusion, imaginations, water, delusion, imaginations, murder, he will be, dreams of fire, dreams fire burning bright, shrieking out fire, and here it is a single remedy, shrieking out fire. Dreams of flood, dreams of water, dreams of water danger from. Next is natrium carbonicum, dreams of casualty, dreams danger, dreams fire, dreams of food, dreams of storms, thunderstorm, dreams of water, dreams water danger from, fear tremulous, startle noise from. And next is Baratakar, which has a delusion like imaginations fire, delusion, imagination fire, noise is cry of fire. She thinks every and she trembles. Startles, fright or fear after. Start from noise from. And next is strontium carbonicum, dream of fire, dream water danger from, which is mentioned in the Sankaran's proving of strontium carb. Next is nitric acid. They are tremendously suspicious, mistrustful, see danger everywhere, and are ready to strike back. For example, the tremendous anxiety about the health of the nitric acid takes the form where he feels everything could go wrong and feels he always has to be on his guard against the possible diseases. The soul of remedy explained it very beautifully. Next is kali nitricum, where the delusion, imaginations, fire, sees, delusion, imagination, touch, sensory, delusion, imaginations, water, delusion, water, danger from. Next is ozone, where the dream of children about danger in, which is single remedy. Fluoric acid, fearlessness, danger menaced him as if but without fear. Next is kali phosphoricum, for fear of agoraphobia, fear out of door to go, fear place building, fear public place of, frighten easily, sensitive oversensitive light 2, sensitive oversensitive noise 2, shrieking, screaming, shouting children in, waking on night terrors, startles, starting noise from, starting, startle, sleep during, startling, touch when, startling, start easily, startling, start, fright from, and s from, fright, violence, vehemence, and in general. Next is calcarea phosphorica, where anxiety, children in, lifted from the cradle, bed when, anxiety, palpitation with, dreams of fire, shrieking, screaming, shouting, children in, starting, startles, fright from, and s from, fright, violence, women's general. Almost exact like Kali phosphoricum. Next is silicia, the dreams of flood, dreams droning, drawing man of, sensitive oversensitive noise from to slightest, starting startle trifle at, starting startle easily, starting startle fright from, and s from, starting startle tremulous. Next it arsenic alb, dream of danger, dream of fire, of water, of danger from, water danger from, escape desire to, springing up suddenly from the bed, fear murder of being, fear narrow place in claustrophobia, fear narrow place in claustrophobia walls, churches and cellars of, sensitive oversensitive noise to slightest, fear ordeal of an, fear panic attack overpowering, fear panic attack overpowering at night. And next is carbonium sulfuricum, where the dreams are danger. And next is hypersulfcalcium, where the anger, irresistibility, risible and sudden, reason without, which is mentioned as a single remedy. Anger, stabbed anyone so that he could have, means anger uncontrollable, stab anyone. From the above, I have derived the following group of symptoms that will indicate road 2 salt along with the issue of the other element presence in that salt. Here the reader is requested to understand the following issue to in context with issue of road 2 as a mention on the page 203, which is already I have read. Sudden and unexpected danger, violence, instinctive reaction, which is the mention in the row 2. Startling, jerking, panic, suffocation, desire to get out. Shrinking, palpitation, sensitive to light and nose and touch. If this is the only sensation in this case, then it is either a pure element or a row 2 salt. But if the sensation is found in the context of other sensation that involves other rows, for example, in the context of dependence and identity, which is mentioned in the, which is considered as a row 3, then the patient will need a salt of row 3 elements, which has some element of row 2 also. For more detail understanding of the salt with the row 2 element, read natrum salves, which is mentioned in the case of, at the on the page number 352. We'll read it. Any salt which involve a row 2 element will fall into the miasm, not just acute miasm with the sudden panic. It need not be to always acute. For example, natrum sulf, who feels suffocated in the situation where not appreciated by his loved one, he just accept the situation and live with the condition. So, which we consider it as a psychotic miasm. Natrum sulf experience the suffocation not in any acute way but in the psychotic way, where he just accept it, and it is also called the king of the psychotic by the Kant. Then how it feels when row 2 fetal life and birth process in lithium, can I exist separately? I am totally one with something or someone else. I am happy to be connected. In beryllium, it is the beginning of the process of separation, but still very connected and extremely scared of the separation. In boron, do I want to be attached or do I want to be separated? Am I and still connected to my mother, or am I out of the womb and separate, want to hold on? Alternating state, on one side, can I be on my own or do I need to be still there? And on the, which is this is in the carbon, sorry, in carbon the alternating state, one, on one side, can I be on my own or do I need to be still there? And on the other side, I have to let go. Can I go? For the first time, I have to sense, I have to react, and I am on my own. Am I capable of being on my own? This is carbon. Now the nitrogen, the attachments, ties, or being bound is too claustrophobic and must be released and go free. Oxygen, release and take first independent breath. In fluorine, the complete independence and separate. Attachment becomes burdensome, so completely separate as two distinct individual. In neon, contented with separation and the opposite feeling of total absence of the womb when needed, develop within self to feel complete without the need for the womb.